Morning, everybody. It's 11:22 and 53 seconds on Monday, July 2nd. This is mini number 1 for Shazam 28 that's graded 9.6. Over here are the 10 filled spots. As explained in the post, whoever comes in first place in this mini is going to win the first 4 available spots in the main. Those spots are 6, 7, 8, and 10. Whoever comes in second place in the mini is automatically going to get assigned the next available spot, which would be spot 14. Okay? First place wins the first 4. Second place wins the next single spot. So let's go to our 3 dice. The number is 10. Good luck. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and this is the final one, 10. Howard Kleinman wins the first 4 spots, and Chris Hibbs wins the 5th spot. Time is 11:24 and 3 seconds.